Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Dan. Have a nice day guys. Have a nice Saturday. So, ah, so it's so hot guys for today's video. Ay, and ay, my God guys, so hot. Oh my. Today is birthday of daughter of my boss, and I think we are busy today for making food like that. Kaya, yes guys, it's so busy and so hot for today. Not only for today, but every day, so hot. If no rain, so much hot. If have rain, so air calm like that. But after rain, oh my God, more so hot guys here in Pakistan. That is update. Update. Hi, I come in my room for. I'm just hang the bed sheet and pillow under towel, and then I come in my room for a while. Yes guys. But after for a while, oh my God, I forgotten. I think I bring my, because my toothbrush is broken, so my toothbrush is broken, so I try to fix. Wait, I wash. I wash my toothbrush guys. I feel thirsty. My God, my arm is so hot, but I wash my hands, but it's okay because every day I self iron the cloth of madam, because I don't know, because my coworker making food, but it's okay. I try to fix my toothbrush like that. I fix this. I don't want to buy, because I self buy when I get my holiday. Next after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I don't know, but I try to fix my toothbrush because it's broken. This is new but fall down, and this kind of plastic, I don't know how broke. But it's okay. I can fix. And I can fix it. I don't want to buy new eh, and tell to someone buy toothbrush like that. No, I don't want. I want myself buy. And hi guys, yes, my okay guys, bye bye. I love you.